Gold is still trading in the no trade zone as I shared early in the day today, and while Dow Jones and Nasdaq has traded in a good drop, now trying to bounce back. Now what is going to happen today, which trade we should take, what is going to be our the trading strategy and the levels to take profits, everything we're gonna see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and in the end Dow Jones. At the end of every analysis, I will give you the trading levels and the trading strategies so that you can make profit easily today. So do watch till the end, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next analysis will be up tomorrow before the Asia cash session, so do watch that also. Press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold first. Gold right now trading at 1851 levels. Now look at the hourly charts. There is a clear resistance, or rather I will say support here at 1847 levels, and now 1847, 1848, which is the zone we have to watch out for. Also look at this, it is trying to give you higher highs. 1853, 1854 zone is again proving out to be a stronger resistance. At the same time, as I have told today morning, do not trade between 1845 to 1855, and it is still trading for the whole day in between these levels. Directional movement on the hourly chart is bearish. The stochastic is trying to reverse. The MACD is trying to converge. The RSI is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts here, on the 2-hour charts, yes, higher lows is what is getting created here. At the same time, higher highs, the resistance there at 1850 to 53 is strong. Only if it breaks past 1855, I will recommend you to go long. In between 1855 and 1845, do not trade. Let it take a direction before we enter a trade. Directional movement is it is trading parallel on the verge of a bearish crossover, and the stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is divergent again, indicating little bullishness. The RSI is also looking upwards, indicating little bullishness on the 2-hour chart. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, higher lows are getting created, higher highs are also there, and probably it may try to trade within this zone. Any breakout above and below will be a very good level to go or take entry at. See, it is consolidated here, it is trying to consolidate it here, rise, retracement, higher lows are getting created, and now it is trying to reverse again. So yes, above 1855 go long, and then we can see stronger rally ahead on the upside. See, on the 3-hour chart, this is the reversal which we have seen, and hence probably we may see a little more rise before it looks over to any further drop. Directional movement sloping down, however, is still trying to trade bearish, but let's see. It is on the verge of a crossover, neither indicating anything as of now. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is still divergent and is still bullish. The RSI is also looking upwards here. On the 4-hour charts, see on the 4-hour charts, similarly how beautifully, if you connect the dots from here, see, first of all, here is the reversal, and if you connect the dots from here, we can see that it is trying to create this channel in which it is trying to trade, and probably once it breaks past 1855, that will be the confirmation of a breakout. Rather, one can say 1853 levels itself is a confirmation of a breakout, and then it will try to achieve higher highs till towards 1860 plus levels. Beyond 1860, I'll be looking forward to 1865 and 1870 levels. Yes, and on the large picture, you can see it is still trying to trade on the 4-hour charts in this box, that is 1870 to 1835-30 levels. Now directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is looking downwards, the MACD is trading parallel, and the RSI is looking upwards here. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, couple of observations to make. See, higher lows and higher highs. Only this high was failed to create or achieve the highs of this channel, and hence it is trying to trade either in the parallel, that is narrowing triangle, and that is why once first if it trades above 1855 today, here yes you can go long, then you can expect that it is the reversal and it is trying to give you another green candle which can be precisely of the same size, another $10. It means 1865 and 1870 levels can be achieved. Somewhere between 1865 and 1870 will be achieved. If it trades above 1855, one can definitely remain long. Now if you look at the directional movement is bearish on the daily charts, the stochastic is looking downwards on the daily charts, the MACD is trying to converge on the here, and the RSI is trading flat. Considering this, till the time it is below 1855, I will not recommend you to go long. Take a long entry at 1855, expect it to hit 1860, 65 and then even 1870 levels can be achieved. If not today, then possibly by tomorrow we will see it hitting 1870 and 1875 levels. So yes, beyond 1855 stay long, do not think of going short beyond 1855. On the downside, if it drops below 1845, do not think of going long there. It is again going to drop for 1840, 1836 and below that we can see a sharper drop. So trade accordingly, take your positions accordingly, always put a trailing stop loss, always keep or either keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Let the markets automatically close your position at least at break even, if not at profits, so that you can preserve your capital, and if you have capital you can trade 1000 times 1000 days. So trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Look at Nasdaq 100 on the hourly chart. See, it was giving these low and 12700 was providing a resistance. This is tried to break out and now it is trying to reverse again. So yes, 12720 I'll be watchful of, and beyond that it will be looking forward to 12760, 12820 and beyond that we may see it hitting 13,000 levels by tomorrow if it continues to trade about 12900 levels, then and then only. On the downside, look at this, how it is trying to behave, higher lows, and if you consider these breakout also, it is trying to trade in this channel. So precisely it has set the limit 12,720 to 12,640. Do not trade in between these 80 points. In between 12640 to 12720, do not trade below 12640. Yes, you can take a short entry for 12600 and below levels. Directional movement is bullish on the hourly charts. The stochastic is overbought looking downwards. The MACD trading parallel. The RSI trading flat, not indicative of anything. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see, it is trying to give you higher lows and lower highs, and that is what is trying to create a flag formation. Any breakout above 12720 will be a very good entry for you to take it for a target of 12800 levels. It can try to achieve 12800 beyond 12720 levels. These are the resistance levels. 12820, I have told you several times, 12820 is the greater resistance. As I have told you, 12400, see precisely what has happened yesterday. It went close to 12400 and then a sharp reversal has happened. So precisely today it can try to go close to 12820 and can drop again. So be cautious there. Beyond 12820, I will be looking forward to a very bullish move for 12900 and 13,000 levels by tomorrow itself. That is what is my expectation, because see, first thing is, on the 2-hour charts it is trying to break out of this channel, and now it is already out of this channel, indicating that there is a possible bullishness or a bullish move can be expected here. Look at the directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trading green and it is still bullish here. The RSI is sloping upwards and trading flat right now. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, another observation on the 3-hour charts. See, on the 3-hour charts, the channel is still there. The highs are there at 12720. Do not forget to watch out for these levels. Beyond 12720, you can remain long for 12760, 12820, and then beyond that, it will fly high. On the downside, there is a stronger support at 12600 today. So yes, you can go short at 12640 for 12600. Beyond 12600, we may see a sharper drop for 12500 and 12400 levels. Now look at the directional movement. It is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The stochastic is converging and crossing over for a bullish move. The MACD is trading fat and it is already green. The RSI is looking or sloping slightly downwards. Now look at the 4-hour charts, and if you consider this chart, see what it is trying to do. It is trying to precisely trade in this zone. This is a breakout here, and possibly there is a little resistance there at 12760, 12800 levels, which it may try to respect, and even, but once it breaks up beyond 12800, there could be a sharper rise which will try to take it till towards 13,000 levels. If not today, then possibly by tomorrow. So possibly beyond 12820, definitely we have to remain long, and yes, for the day you can go long at 12720. That is very clear here. 4-hour charts, directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over and it is trading in green. This is the second green candle. Maybe it has to give a sharp green candle for it to diverge more and continue the bullish momentum. RSI is trading flat. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will see here See, barring this breakout, it is still honoring this support line. 12600 levels definitely, or rather I will say 12580 levels definitely is a sharp or stronger resistance. At the same time, it is trying to give you lower high. So 12760 I will be watchful of, 12580, 12600 I will be watchful of. These 180 points we have to respect, and it may give a breakout either which ways, whichever direction it takes, it is going to give you a stronger breakout if it comes out of these zones. Directional movement is bullish. The stochastic was trading at bottom, now looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge, it is still bullish and it is trying to narrow the bullishness there. The RSI is trading flat. Considering this, yes, go long at 12720 for 12760, 12820 levels. Now remember, beyond 12820 you should not think of remaining short. We will be looking forward to 13,000 levels this time. On the downside, say 13,000, it doesn't mean that it is going to achieve today. If possible today, then possibly might be by tomorrow we might see 13,000 levels. On the downside, till the time if it breaks 12640, go short there, and definitely you will achieve 12600 first target, 12550, 12500, 12450, 12400. Every 50 points in those 200 points is a support level. Beyond 12400 there is going to be a sharper fall. I am repeating it again. Beyond 12400 we may see a sharper fall again for 12200, 12000, and then on the downside it is going to head till towards 11700. If not today, possibly tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then maybe next week we might see it achieving those levels. So take your positions accordingly. And now let's have a look at US30. Now see, US30 on the hourly chart is consolidated. It is trying to reverse second green candle. The third green candle, once you see it trading beyond 33,100, go long there for 33,150, 33,200, and beyond that it is going to fly high. So go long at 33,100, go short at 33,000. That is very clear here. Below 33,000 we may see a sharper drop till towards 32,900 level, which is going to provide a stronger support for US30 today. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over and it is trading with a bearish bias. It is trying to converge. That is very much visible here. RSI is sloping upwards, indicating that it is going to look upwards a little bit. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, here is the reversal. Possibly the second candle I will be watchful of, or this candle itself. If it breaks out beyond 33,100, next candle, then go long and it is going to reverse. Else, see here also we have seen a reversal candle after this rise. So yes, if it breaks below 33,000, do not restrict yourself from going short, and then it is going to hit 32,900, then 32,750 levels are very achievable today itself. So go short at 33,000 levels. The directional movement is crossed over for a bullish move. It is divergent. The stochastic is near to bottom looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge. It was bullish till now. It is trying to converge a little. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, here is the reversal. It is trying to reverse a bit, but it is looking for a breakout, and that is why I say 33,100 and 33,000 levels. These two levels we have to be a little bit cautious, and even if it tries to drop to 33,000, you can take a long entry, and then yes, I'll be watchful of 33,100 and 150 levels for sure. Beyond that we can see a sharper rise. 33,200, the next stronger resistance. Beyond that it will fly. The directional movement is bearish on the 3-hour chart. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge. It is trading in green. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, here it is, lower highs are getting created. And if you look at the near terms here, near term candle, lower highs are getting created. That is why I say beyond 33,100 one can go long. And at the same time, see, one must not forget that the near term time frame charts, it is giving increasingly bearish candle. So yes, below 33,000 we can go short for 32,900, and even if it may try to achieve 32,820, 32,750 levels, which is going to provide a stronger support. Directional movement is still bullish, but it is trying to converge. The MACD is trading flat. The stochastic is overbought. It is looking downwards on the 4-hour chart, and the MACD is green. Just 4 candle may try to converge, and the RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see how beautifully the highs are connected here. 33,200 level, we have to watch out for any move beyond 33,200. Yes, go long there, that is very clear. But yes, in fact, you can go long at 33,100. However, there are a resistance at 33,150 and 33,200. These two levels, if it breaks past by, we can see a good rise. On the downside, 33,000 levels have yet provided a support. Below that, we may see it coming to 32,900, 32,820, and then below that we may see a sharper drop too on the downside. Now look at the directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is trading flat. The MACD is trying to converge and the RSI trading flat. Considering this, I'll recommend you to go short at 33,000 for a target of 32,900, 32,820, 32,750, and then below that it will directly drop to 32,600. Yes, there could be a sharper drop. If it continues to trade below 32,800, then we can remain bearish for the rest of the week. And at the same time, if it trades, yes, 32,500, 400 zone again is important for Dow Jones. We must not forget that it has got a support there. On the upside, 33,100 level, go long at there. Expect 33,150 first target, 33,200 next target. Beyond 33,200, we have to remain long and it is going to give you a sharper bullish move. So on the daily charts, here it is. We have seen lower highs, we have seen higher lows. It is trying to consolidate. And if you look at the indicators, bearish, stochastic trading flat, and the MACD looking downwards, and the RSI trading flat. So yes, let me summarize. Go short at 33,000 levels. Below that, the support there at 33,900 is going to be strong. Rather, I will recommend you to go short at 32,980 and a long entry at 33,120. For these 140 points between 32,980 and 33,120, do not trade. That is what is the summary there. Beyond 32,120, I will expect it to hit 33,150 and 33,200 level. See, it has got stronger resistance at 33,200. So it may try to achieve that and can reverse from there. That is very much possible. So be cautious there. If you have taken a long entry, always keep shifting your stop loss to cost. At the same time, once it drops below 32,980, you can expect 32,900, and below 32,900, my target is still towards 32,820, 32,750, 32,600, and then it will drop more till towards 32,500. Remember, it has got a stronger support there at 32,500. On the upside, beyond 33,200, you can expect 33,300, 400, 500 levels. It can go very sharp, it can rise very sharp. So take your positions accordingly. Always keep shifting your stop loss to cost. And remember, 32,900 to 33,200 zone, we have seen it swinging in between these levels for long. So be cautious, be alert between these levels. At least it take a little direction. And yes, always trade with a trailing stop loss. So take your entries accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. You can join my mentorship batch. You can join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.